Hey friends, this is Techie Jaat Sanyukt and today I am going to do a speed test between the most powerful and latest iOS device iPhone 10 and the most powerful Android device Oneplus 5T. Before we start, let's have a look on the specs of these devices. Starting iPhone 10, iPhone is powered by Apple's own A11 Bionic chip with hexa-core processor with 3 gigs of RAM, and the device I am using is 64GB version. Coming to OnePlus 5T, OnePlus is using Snapdragon 835. It's an octa-core processor with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal space. Let's start the comparison. Okay, half test has been done and till now both devices are performing neck to neck. Let's see who gonna finish it first. Here we have our winner OnePlus 5T, which has won this test by almost 9 seconds. Though iPhone 10 also performed well, but OnePlus has done multitasking way better. So this is it guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe me for more tech related video. This is Techie Jaat signing off. Bye bye.